Enterprise software powers your business. But here's the problem. Support and maintenance costs are draining your budget with a cycle of upgrades you didn't ask for. And vendor support? Endless portals? Hidden engineers? No help for your customizations. Rimini Street changes that. We replace vendor support with something better. Cut total costs up to 90%. No forced upgrades. And invest the savings in innovation. Extend software life of existing releases with support for 15 years or more. And that's human support, with a named primary support engineer and a global team with 10 to 20 plus years of experience. We go beyond vendor support, covering custom code, integrations, and unique business processes. Plus, proactive compliance updates, tailored to your environment. All with 24/7 follow-the-sun global coverage. Make the switch from portal to people. Get the support and freedom you deserve. With Rimini Street, the software support and agentic AI ERP company.